Okay, so to get the fastest charging on your Xiaomi device, this is a Xiaomi 14, you're gonna go into settings, and here you're gonna search for battery, and under battery, as you can see, we have battery protection, and you don't want to turn this on unless you're charging, like, not if you leave it overnight to charge, because then it will kill the battery health. So if you're doing that, you want to keep it on optimized charging. But see, because as you can see here, always charge up to 100%. And the next thing is boost charging speed, and you can turn it on here. This is just a reminder. And also when you're charging for the first time, it won't be as fast as when you charge it 10 times. So do the YouTube stuff, and thanks for watching.